Now moving towards the second method, that is using the zip and a repeat method. First, we are going to import our library, that is from iter tools we are going to import the repeat method. After that, we are initializing list and a value, and in the zip and the iter tools we are going to combine them together. The zip is nothing but it's going to map all those elements together which are having the same indexes, and in the list one, which we have been passed as an iterable, and a repeat x. The repeat x method, what is going to do over here is it's going to repeat those x element each and every for every element in our list one. And zipping is we are just going to combine those list element particular element and the value together, and again we are converting them into the list and storing them in the list too and having them as an output.